Welcome to Manna Home Design, where real New York City apartments meet smart, livable design. Here, we focus on studio and small space interiors that feel collected, cozy, and designed for real life. No luxury budgets, no unrealistic renovations, just thoughtful ideas that actually work. This brilliant New York City studio proves you don't need more space. You just need smarter design. Today, we're stepping inside a brilliant New York City studio apartment where smart zoning, renter-friendly solutions, and sophisticated decor make a small space feel intentional and surprisingly spacious. From clever storage and layered lighting to a layout that lives like a one-bedroom, this apartment shows how thoughtful design can completely change the way a studio feels. Before we start, hit subscribe for more smart New York City apartment tours, small space design ideas, and real-life home inspiration. Entryway plus home office nook. The entryway of this New York City studio apartment does double duty as a home office, showing how smart small space design starts right at the door. In a long studio layout, every square foot matters, and this zone immediately sets a functional tone. A slim desk, a wide comfortable chair, and layered wall art create a defined workspace without walls. This renter-friendly setup feels intentional, not temporary, blending work-from-home practicality with eclectic interior design. Warm table lamps replace harsh overhead lighting, adding coziness and visual depth. It's a perfect example of how thoughtful zoning and smart storage can turn a simple New York City studio apartment into a livable, inspiring home. Living room with white sofa. This living room proves that a studio apartment can feel cozy without feeling crowded. A white sofa acts as a neutral base, allowing layered textures, patterns, and color to shine in this New York City apartment. Leopard pillows, warm lumbar cushions, and mixed materials create an eclectic yet balanced interior design. Smart furniture choices keep the space flexible for everyday living, movie nights, and hosting friends. Soft lighting, collected decor, and thoughtful scale make this studio living room feel intentional and inviting. It's not minimal, it's not cluttered, it's real, lived-in New York City style done right. Large-scale art focus. Large-scale art becomes the focal point in this small studio apartment, instantly elevating the interior design. Instead of many small pieces, one bold artwork anchors the entire living space. In a New York City studio, scale matters. Oversized art adds maturity, warmth, and personality, helping the apartment feel more like a home and less like a temporary rental. Paired with layered lighting and collected furniture, the art creates a cohesive visual story. This approach proves that smart design choices, not renovations, define a truly stylish studio apartment. Craft and dining zone. This multifunctional craft and dining area shows how a studio apartment can adapt to real life. Instead of a formal dining room, the space stays flexible and creative. A simple table works as a craft station, dining surface, and creative workspace. Foldable chairs and renter-friendly furniture keep the layout open and practical for a busy New York lifestyle. Natural light, warm lamps, and personal objects make the zone feel cozy and lived in. It's proof that small space living works best when design follows how you actually live. IKEA Billy Room Divider. Tall IKEA Billy bookcases transform this New York City studio apartment by acting as a full-height room divider. It's one of the smartest small space design tricks for renters. Instead of walls, these shelves separate the bedroom from the living area while adding massive storage. Books, glassware, and travel finds turn function into decor. This render-friendly solution creates privacy, warmth, and structure without permanent changes, proving that a studio layout can feel intentional and architectural. Reading nook by the window. Tucked near the windows, this reading nook adds a quiet moment inside a busy New York City studio apartment. It's a small space with a big emotional impact. A comfortable chair, side table, and soft lighting create a dedicated zone for slowing down. Natural daylight blends with warm lamps for a cozy, layered feel. In a studio apartment, moments like this matter. Thoughtful zoning turns limited square footage into a home that supports rest, creativity, and daily rituals. Bedroom nook behind shelves. Behind the bookshelf divider, this bedroom nook feels surprisingly private for a studio apartment. The layout proves how smart design can mimic a one-bedroom feel. Crisp white bedding, a fluffy down duvet, and neutral textures create a hotel-like sleep environment. Renter-friendly wallpaper and curtain walls add softness and warmth. This bedroom shows that comfort and privacy don't require extra rooms, just thoughtful planning and intentional interior design choices. Bedroom details and vintage storage. Vintage furniture adds instant character to this New York City studio bedroom. A solid wood dresser and oversized mirror bring warmth and history into the space. Facebook Marketplace finds and travel objects turn storage into storytelling. These pieces make the apartment feel collected over time, not bought all at once. In small space design, authenticity matters. Slight imperfections give the studio apartment its soul and lived-in charm. Nighttime mood, lamps only. At night, this studio apartment completely transforms. With only lamps and candlelight, each zone feels intimate and warm. Soft lighting defines the entry, living room, craft space, reading nook, and bedroom without walls. This is how lighting shapes mood in small apartments. The result is a cozy, layered New York City home that feels calm, personal, and real, proof that great interior design is about atmosphere, not square footage. If you enjoyed this New York City studio apartment tour, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real New York apartments with smart, renter-friendly design. Let me know in the comments, which part of this studio inspired you the most.